Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, 2026 AI Jobs Barometer, AI is reshaping the skills employers value most. And I quote, AI is increasing the importance of uniquely human capabilities, said Hugh Thompson, Director Consultant, Digital Transformation at PBCJamaica. Jamaica. He continues, employees will need to combine AI literacy with critical thinking, communication, leadership, and sound judgment, end quote. The report, which analyzed more than 1 billion job advertisements across 27 countries and territories, found that jobs requiring AI-related skills are growing nearly 8 times faster than the overall job market, while workers with AI skills now command a 62% wage premium globally. The study found that companies most exposed to AI are outperforming, with labor productivity growth reaching 163% among leading organizations, compared with significantly lower gains elsewhere. Wayne Sinclair, president of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, GSAJ, is urging the government to stem the job losses in the BPO sector. This call was supported by Gloria Henry, JP, director and former president of GSAJ. She said, Jamaica global services sector, it's now time for Jamaica to invest strategically in the future skills our people need to compete globally, Henry said. And I quote, we can no longer rely on being solely an English-speaking destination, near-shore destination. If we are serious about building a digital economy, we must prepare our people with the skills to compete, innovate, and succeed. Supporting the association's call, Yoni Epstein, CD, founder and CEO of ITEL, and also a GSAJ director, said Jamaica must once again become more visible in the international marketplace. The association believes that with bold national action, Jamaica can reverse recent job losses, protect existing investments, attract new opportunities, and create the next generation of careers in the global services sector. For the trading period of July 7, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 4,128,558 units, representing 22.92% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,746,098 units, representing 20.80% of market sales activities. Pan Jamaica Group Limited with 3,450 units, representing 16.66% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in real estate, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 7, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.33 and buying at $158.15. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.01 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.14 and was bought for $110.13. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.82 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.61 and was bought for $209.79. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, inflation doesn't just raise prices, it can lower credit scores. When the cost of living rises faster than incomes, many households face an impossible choice: cut back on essentials or rely on credit to bridge the gap. For many, credit has become a survival tool rather than a financial strategy. The result? Credit scores can begin to decline, not because people are irresponsible, but because financial pressure changes borrowing habits. Higher credit card balances, increased credit utilization, and making only minimum payments can all signal greater risk to lenders, even when payments are made on time. While no one can control inflation, there are steps to protect your financial reputation. 1. Pay every bill on time. 2. Keep credit card balances as low as possible. 3. Review your credit report regularly for errors. And avoid taking on new debt unless it serves a long-term purpose. Then build an emergency fund even if you start small. Your credit score is more than a number. It reflects your financial resilience and influences your ability to access affordable financing when opportunities arise. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.